Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can enroll for Zelle with a TD Bank account. So let's jump right in. Launch the TD Bank mobile app on your smartphone or tablet and sign in using your login credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of your TD Bank account. Here, look for the Zelle option. It's usually visible on the home screen or under the Send Money section. Tap on it to proceed. You'll then be taken to a welcome page introducing Zelle. Tap on the Get Started Now button to begin setting up the service. Next, you'll be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions related to external transfers and Zelle's payment service. Carefully review them and then tap Accept or Agree to continue. Now, select the TD Bank account you'd like to use for sending and receiving money through Zelle. This is typically your checking account, but you can choose any eligible account listed. After selecting the account, you'll need to link a contact method, either your email address or mobile phone number. Zelle uses this information to identify you and route payments. Once you've chosen your preferred method, tap Continue to move forward. You'll be asked to confirm once more by tapping Continue again. Next, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to the phone number or email address you just linked. Check your text messages or email inbox for the code, then enter it into the app when prompted. After entering the code, tap Verify to confirm your identity. Finally, the app will show you the account that Zelle will use for transactions. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm Account to finish the setup.